8. Can a hole in the ground be productive? Throughout American history, we have had an element in the population very much opposed to the Puritan work ethic. Instead of holding to useful work as the key to productivity and to prosperity, many have had a variety of gimmicks to suggest as an easy way to national wealth. More than a few have insisted that printing more money would create more wealth. Instead, it creates inflation. Others have believed that prosperity would come and poverty disappear by means of the passing of laws. If this works, why not pass laws to abolish sin and death? In 1874, Richard Shell, a Wall Street stock speculator, became a member of Congress. Shell had a solution for the economic problems of his day. He wanted the federal government to dig a canal from New York to San Francisco. This would have been quite a task, considering that in 1874 only horse-drawn earth-moving equipment existed to tunnel through the Rockies. Shell wanted greenbacks to be printed to finance the project. More recently, in 1936, in The General Theory of the Employment, Interest and Money, Keynes wrote, "To dig holes in the ground paid for out of savings will increase not only employment, but the real national dividend of useful goods and services." Representative Ron Paul and Louis Lehman, The Case for Gold, Washington, D.C., The Cato Institute, 1982-95. Remember, since at least 1932, Keynes's theories had governed the Western world, the United States, and other nations as well. As a result, we've had all kinds of non-productive federal spending, the idea being that any such spending will automatically bring about prosperity, no matter how useless the cause. Because of Keynes's idea of prosperity through useless holes-in-the-ground projects, we have hundreds of federal agencies which exist merely to spend money. If Keynes was right, then our farmers are foolish in wasting time and money planting crops, which bad weather can destroy. Instead, it would be much safer simply to plough the ground and ask for a subsidy to do so. As a matter of fact, under the influence of Keynes, this is exactly what the federal government began to do some years ago. Farmers were paid for not planting anything. Remember, Keynes believed that digging useless holes in the ground would, in his own words, increase not only employment, but the real national dividend of useful goods and services. Our politicians believed him. No wonder we're in trouble.